you're vegan, click the link above to watch the vegan version of this salad. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my alkaline fennel salad. Let's get started. The first ingredient you're going to need is obviously fennel, and you're going to need about 2 of them. Start by cutting off the stalks from the bulb like I showed you in my vegan recipe. Next, cut off the bottom and use your knife to remove any blemishes you find. Once you're done, split your bulb in half. Now I'm going to be slicing this using the 2mm slicer on my mandolin. Repeat the process for the second bulb. Once you're done, set your fennel aside and we'll get back to it later. Over here, I have one red onion bulb and we're going to split it into 2 halves. Just like we did with the fennel, we're going to slice it using our mandolin. Mandolins are quite dangerous, so be careful when using them. Next, we have one large cucumber and we're going to cut off the tip and slice it using our mandolin. Meet my peach. Peaches taste wonderful in this recipe. Slice off the sides while working around the core, then slice the flesh with your mandolin. Once you're done, put it to the side and we'll get back to it later. Come here, you bunch of scallions. Scallions really sounds like a bad word. Anyway, chop your scallions and set them aside. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Thank you. Working around the core, slice the skin and flesh off of an apple, then slice using your mandolin. Over here, I have about 1/4 cup of walnuts. Add them to a chopping board. Next, I have about 5 Brazil nuts. You can use more if you want. Add them to a chopping board. Now we're going to chop them using a knife. Note that alkaline vegans only eat Brazil nuts and walnuts. Over here, I have a bunch of fresh tarragon, and I'm adding this because the flavor of tarragon greatly complements the flavor of fennel. They both have a licorice flavor. We're going to roughly chop this, and we're chopping this last because we don't want it to change color. It's time to assemble our salad. Don't leave yet because there are still a few more ingredients I haven't shown you. Add your fennel to a large bowl, then add your sliced peaches. Next, we're going to add our sliced onions. You can add as much as you want. Add your sliced cucumbers. Follow your cucumbers with some sliced peaches. Over here, I have a cup of organic black pitted olives. Add your olives to the bowl. The next ingredient is a 1/4 cup of organic dried cherries. Whatever you do, don't skip these. Now we can add our chopped nuts, then follow that with about 5 to 7 tablespoons of coconut aminos. Depending on how you like it, you can add about 2 to 4 tablespoons of agave syrup. Next, add your chopped scallions, and then you can add your chopped tarragon. Over here, we have some key limes, and I'm only going to be using about 4 of them. Slice your key limes in half. Alkaline vegans only use key limes. Now we're going to extract the juice of about 4 key limes using a citrus press. Those of you who don't like to use oil, this is optional. If you use oil, you can add about 3 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, we're going to add a pinch or more of pure sea salt, and you can adjust this to your taste. Now we're going to mix it up thoroughly before we serve, and we're still not done yet. If you only eat raw food, this is a good way to incorporate lots of nutrients into your diet. Beautiful. This salad will serve 3 to 5 people, and it will last in your fridge for up to 3 days as long as you add some olive oil. Finally, we're going to garnish with some chopped nuts, some freshly chopped scallions, and some raw sesame seeds. Here you go. My alkaline fennel salad was way easier to make than the vegan version, but I promise you, it's way tastier. I believe it's because of the fact that I kept it simple. Simpler salads are way better. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week. Oh, and before I forget, you can also add my alkaline everything sauce to this salad. You won't believe your taste buds.